Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best settings for Google Chrome to make it more secure. So what you want to do, you want to open up your Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you want to go down to help, and then you want to go to about Google Chrome. Now, why about Google Chrome? Because this will check to see if Google Chrome has the latest version installed, and if it's not updated, it will immediately start to update your Google Chrome. Now, right here you can see the current version that I have, and this is the most updated one. But if you don't have it, it will start to check for updates and update Google Chrome. Why is this important? Because if there is any issues with security, Google is always trying to improve and fix these issues. So with the latest updates, also potentially there could be the latest fixes for security. So this is the first thing that you want to do. Ensure that you have the latest version installed. Now, after that, you want to ensure that you go to privacy and security. Then from here, you want to click on security. Now, under this section, guys, you will see safe browsing, and the best settings to use here is the enhanced protection, and you can take the time to read through it to see what it means. It says real-time proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So you can see right here that if you have this option selected, it is the best for you. And they also went on to say more about what you get when you select this option, right? And that's all there is to it, guys. That's all you need. These are the basic things that you need to set in Google Chrome to ensure that you have the best and most safe browsing enabled. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.